200k. I didn't know need that. You know be students. You know be students.
I need money, no me say I need that kind of foolish money. And by the way, I need to find money. I not tell you say I dey suffer for money.
Better drop this acting. Are you not into hookup?
Are you okay? Which kind of rubbish with this now? I don't understand, bro.
So wait, they can't give you job. They push me.
No rubbish.
Calm down now. Calm down. I'm sorry. It's just a prank. Yeah, sorry. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your one and only Tomomo, aka Nobody Bono. Assistance now. I am here with
Pabi Smith.
Pabi Smith is here with me. Pabi Smith, how far with this up?
Oh my, everybody okay now.
Okay, Pabi Smith came to me that he wants to run a loyalty test prank, Abi.
That's so.
When I just tell them what you tell me.
I see, and I know how things they play now. Me, I just graduate from the NTU.
You don't graduate like this.
I just graduate too, and I don't get all kind of cousin sister she did 200 level now, and I hear stories.
The same school.
I hear things upon things say she did want to hook up and all these kind of things. And me, I not to believe her and like that. And they say I put her on that girl. I get what they say for my family. I put her on her. Based on the way she carry school for head, but then now they tell me things say she do hook up, but I want prank her. Whether true, whether she do on the hook up.
If she didn't hook up, uncle.
I go dey very disappointed, sha.
But if you know the uncle,
I go get joined.
All right, guys. Pabi Nabo wants to know if his cousin sister is into hook up. So we are going to prank her and find out if really she's into it or not. So Pabi Nabo assistance like this, you will give me her number. I will call her. They come, Mama open the phone. Mama call her. Then ask her to meet for somewhere. She did this in school now.
Yeah, she did this time.
We all fine, we get across to her. I just pray say she know they do that kind of thing. Because it's very bad and very, very... I don't know what to say. Just watch out. Okay. I call her.
Her name is Bethel.
Bethel.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I call her. Bethel. Your cousin sister as now I can't relate.
My mama junior sister Pikin, we just
all those family things then they can't put time for her matter. No, I'm sure you are doing well, you are a good brother.
Me, I not to get time.
No, normally now. I know they go.
Maybe say not lie.
I know they go.
I'm not they go. Try man.
I'm gonna try again. No, I don't want to call her with your phone. I know if I call her with your phone, you don't cast.
Okay, yeah.
So I need to call her with my phone. Okay, don't ring. I'll please say she pick up. Hello? Hello, please, I'm on to Bethel.
Yes.
Okay, sorry, I got your number from someone. Someone referred you to me. And this is actually urgent. I'd like to see you in person before we continue discussing any other thing.
Can you please calm down? Can you just say one thing at a time?
Okay.
Who referred you and...
See, okay, listen. You don't need to know who I am. When I see you in person, I'm going to explain everything to you. Someone actually referred...
What if you someone that is after my life?
No, I can't be after your life now. I want to actually just meet you in person. I'll let you know once we see each other. We're going to discuss it, not on phone, but we have to talk to each other face to face.
Okay, I'm really not comfortable with this idea, but...
Okay, you know what? Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Can we meet at your location? Just give me a location, I'll come and meet you there.
Okay, I'll just send you my address.
Okay, no problem. Just send it to me.
At my junction, not at my place.
No problem. Anywhere.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yes. You're welcome.
Alright, my people, you guys have heard from her. We are going to find out if truly Bethel is into hook up or not. For now, let's just keep our hands crossed and watch. But I pray that this should not come to pass. Abi said you talk my mind.
Oh, bye.
Let's go. I think I'm in the right area. I don't know, sha. try her number. If she's going to pick. Hold on, sir.
Hello?
Hello, Bethel.
Are you there?
I don't know if I'm lost, but according to your description,
You're
I
lost.
think
Where
I'm
are
in
you?
front of one bungalow with flowers surrounding it.
The green flower that has pink blossoms on them.
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, wait, I think I've seen you.
Okay. Okay. Better, right? Good afternoon.
Hi.
Okay, I've been the one disturbing you since. Okay, this is it then. There's an urgent job at hand,
Is there no
50K.
problem?
No problem now. Just that there's an urgent job according to the referral. They referred me that I should come and meet you that it's
Why
going
no
to
job?
be a nice job. Just come and go and keep a large company for just let me say 3 hours. You won't stay the night.
Excuse me.
So there's 50K for you.
I think you're the wrong person.
I don't understand. Are you not better?
What do you mean?
Are you not better?
I don't understand. So if I'm better, what?
Are you not in 200 level?
See, I'm not ready.
They gave me your number to come and meet you. Guy, do this
See,
emo, they come
I'm
out
not
for
ready
you.
for jokes. I beg. If you're joking, or if this is a prank.
And
just
see, drop
stop.
the acting. I know me and you know say you they do hook up. Come on, go now. 50K they are stake. You want to come from me? No need them. I be no be school you
I
do.
don't understand. Who saying you come? I know that. Who you be? I don't. See, bro, better respect yourself.
Why
You know
girls?
me.
Why girls don't they behave like this? Why girls don't they behave like this? I don't come meet you. Okay, I collect. You know even suppose I PC at least I don't get your number. Come find you. Come to carry job. Come give you for your house.
You will won't give person job still today. Why you no carry job go give your younger sister?
But no be they do hook up. I tell you, my guys that they do hook up.
Oh, younger sister they do hook up. Now me they do hook up.
Okay, see, no worry.
See,
Maybe like see.
bro, I know where we hear that one. I know where you hear that one. I just gonna beg you.
Better stop now. Let's go now.
What is the meaning of this?
Wait, do you want to beat me?
If I
Someone
what
told me
I-
that I should come and meet you. Better, are you not into hook up?
I don't. See, bros. I just gonna beg you. See, I see things like this now.
What do you want to do? Are you going to accept it? In fact, let's just.
What is
make
the
it
meaning of this?
100K. 100K.
What is the meaning of this? Just tell me.
100K. You won't even stay the 9 to
I don't
100K. I
understand
no need that.
you.
You know, be
Who say you
students. You know, be students.
I need money. No, me say I need that kind of foolish money. And by the way, I need to find money. I know tell you say I dey suffer for
Better
money.
drop this acting. Are you not into hook up?
Bros.
They gave me your number. They referred me to
Bros,
you.
respect yourself.
If I don't respect myself, what are you going to do?
Okay, now.
Are you going or you are not
I
going?
said I'm not going. Please, I beg you in the name of God.
What happened?
I don't understand though. Like, is that how you call people's numbers and call them out? Oh, I have a job for you. I want to offer you this. I want to offer you that. I don't understand.
Okay, it's okay.
What kind of embarrassment is this?
It's okay, better calm down. It's like we're having a misunderstanding here. Your friend actually gave me your number
To do what?
that I should call you. She's not available, so she gave me your number.
Are you okay? Which kind of rubbish with this? I don't understand the process.
So wait, they can't give you job, they push me. Eh?
You won't
How many
beat
people they can't give people job
you
for house?
won't beat me for my area. You
dey
won't
do-
beat me.
Oh, because in our area, Abi. No, here be your area.
Just
It's my
do
area now.
anything
Why?
for you. Just do anything for you. I am a student here, and a lot of people knows me here. Just do anything for you. And I'm.
If you are not into hook up, how then carry know you?
I know.
If you are not into hook up, how
Bros,
then carry
respect
know you?
yourself.
So wait, you want
Which
tell
kind
me?
of rubbish?
So you want tell
I
me
don't
say
understand.
you want wait now?
I don't knock you before.
So yeah, calm down now. Don't make it violent. So you are telling me that you are not into hook up.
I am not into hook up. I will stop that nonsense. Play. I don't like him.
You are sure not
No
into
try
hook
am.
up.
I said I am not into hook up. Shut.
Okay, no problem. I'm actually sorry for what's going on. This is actually a video. Wait, I think there's someone you'd like to see. Bro, come. Bro, you don't carry on. I see am. I test her. She said she don't come tell me say she know they into hook up. Do you know him?
Better.
Do you know this young man?
My cousin.
Okay, sorry for anything.
No rubbish.
Calm down now, calm down. I'm sorry.
Prank.
It's just a prank. Yeah, sorry. Okay, better. Your bro actually came to me that we should just pull your leg. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment in this video.
Na me where they work for you.